Gomo, cook. Hi, Chef Gomo. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Toto, are you hungry? What do you want to eat?
I'm so hungry. I want to have some hearty rice.
Oh, you want rice. Hey, Gomo. There are so many dishes you can make with white rice. Want to choose which dishes to cook? Let's find ingredients with Gomo. Go up, go down, and go zigzag. We've arrived. What ingredient is hiding? Crispy dried seaweed. What's the next ingredient? A soft, creamy egg. Only one more left. What is it? Delicious shrimp. We found them all. The first dish is a rice omelet. Let's fry up onions and ham. Next, add some rice and mix. Now, time to add ketchup. Mix the ketchup well. Mix. Oh, where are you running to, Egg? The eggs are ready. Now let's cook the eggs. Sizzle, sizzle. Wow, it looks done. Huh? Are you cold, fried rice? Here's a warm egg blanket for you. Yay! A yummy warm rice omelet. Next, shrimp sushi. Add salt, sugar, and vinegar. Mix. The sushi rice is done. Shape the rice into a rectangle. Squish, squish. Perfect! Huh? Hey, Rice, where are you going? Whoa, look at all the coats. Tuna, salmon, egg roll, and shrimp coat. Which one will Rice choose? Shrimp! A yummy shrimp sushi! The final dish is kimbap. Spread rice on dried seaweed. Spread. Come out ingredients. Pickled radish, cucumber, ham, and carrots. Roll it up. And cut into bite-sized pieces. Yay! Yummy kimbap! Rice omelet and shrimp sushi too? Rice is the best! Dig in, Toto!
Yummy!
What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Gomo! Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want dumplings! Today we're making warm and pillowy dumplings. Chef Gomo, let's cook! What do we need to make dumplings? Let's find the ingredients. A teddy bear? No, we can't eat a teddy bear. Then a carrot? Yes, a crunchy carrot is needed. How about chives? Bingo! Fragrant chives. What else? A cactus? No, a cactus is too prickly to eat. Then a mushroom? Wow, mushroom it is! How about ice cream? Oh, ice cream melts, so no. Dumpling wrappers?
Wow!
Correct! Dumpling wrappers are a must. And maybe some tofu. Soft and healthy tofu. We found them all. Wow, a carrot garden. Hey, Toto, wanna pick some carrots? Oh, hey, Uba. Can you help Toto? Yay, a carrot! This time, let's get some mushrooms. Woohoo! The veggies are picked! Now let's mix the ingredients to make the filling. Wow, the filling looks delicious! Time to form the dumplings. First, place a wrapper on the cutting board. Next, put some filling in the center. Then seal the wrapper. And you get a cute dumpling! Finally, it's time to steam the dumplings. See you when you're done, dumplings! It looks like they're ready. Let's open the lid. Wow! Warm and yummy dumplings! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba.
Oh, you want pasta. Today we're making pasta with tomato sauce and shrimp. Chef Como, let's cook! What do we need to make pasta? Let's find the ingredients. Do we need an orange? Nope, we do not. Then tomato sauce? Yes, it's definitely needed. Garlic? Bingo! Garlic it is. Next, an ice cream bar? No, we don't need that. Then shrimp? Correct! Delicious shrimp. A bone? Let's leave the bone for a puppy. Do we need salt? Yep, we do. Finally, spaghetti noodles are a must. Yay! We found them all. First, boil some water and add salt. Then cook the spaghetti. When the spaghetti is done, drain it in a strainer. Now it's time to crush the garlic. Whoa! Ingredients are prepped. Let's mix everything in a pan. Drop in the shrimp and garlic and toss. One more time. Next, the sauce. Open the tomato sauce lid. Add the sauce into the pan and mix well. Pour the cooked sauce over the spaghetti and... we're done! Wait, something's missing. We need to make it more flavorful. Which powder should we sprinkle? Red pepper powder? Candy powder? Yes, parsley powder. How about a pretty garnish? An egg? some parsley, a baseball, and an acorn. Should we put an egg on top? Oh no, that won't do. Oh, let's add some more parsley. A yummy shrimp tomato pasta! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. You have a special dish for today? Uba's hungry. What do you want to eat? Oh, you want sweet and savory black bean noodles. Today, we're making yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make black bean noodles? Let's find the ingredients.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The ingredients are hiding. Come out wherever you are. I heard a sound. Was it from here? Found you! Refreshing and spicy green onions. Where are you? Aha! Found you! Savory potato. Oh, the cupboard. Found you! Chewy, springy noodles. Let's keep looking. Where are you? Ah, the plant pot. Oh, phooey. Under here, then? Found you! Sweet and savory black bean sauce. Let's look here. Found you! Sweet, fragrant onion. How about the refrigerator? Wow, yummy ham! Yay! We found them all! Okay, let's cook the noodles in hot water. Wow! Now strain the noodles. Chewy, springy noodles are done! Next, let's chop the veggies. Good job! Plop the veggies into a pan and stir fry. Now it's time for the black bean sauce. Toss and toss. Smells so good. Finally, add the sauce to the noodles. Yay! Yummy, slurpy black bean noodles. Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time?